this is Gryffindor Princess Golden Owl. I hope you like my vlog, or shall I say haul. I'm doing some of my birthday prezzies that I've got, and this is my 5th or 4th novel collection. But as you can see, you know that I am collecting all the Horcruxes, and this is the one I've got. So you can see it's Nagini. I'll wait until she turns on so you can see it a bit better. There you go. Throw there. Oops, I keep doing that, sorry. There you go. You can see here, just there. Don't worry, I'm going to open it. I'm just showing you what it's like inside. It's got that as well. That's pretty pretty. Stars and all that on it. I really like that. And I could turn it round again so you can see it a bit more better again. I keep going the wrong way. There you go. I think that is very, very pretty. If you like this, it's very, I thought it'd be nice and shiny and very slithering. It is green, greeny blue. It's what would be quite nice. Or very slithery. I haven't got anything like a snake, but this is the closest I can get, and I think it's really nice and pretty. So as you can see, it's a noble collection just there. See, noble collection just there. You can see it just there. It's Harry Potter, obviously. And it's got in big letters Nagini. There's her just there. There's her teeth as well. And I've just noticed there's something in the background. See it just there? Got stones and all that. It's got like a thing in the background, like a window. That's on the back. Bit there. See what's on the back. Got that on the back, you can see it just there. Really, really nice. I am going to open it so we can see it together. Got some scissors just in case, that I'm trying not to. Oh, I've just noticed. Got a noble collection just there. A lot of people are probably getting noble collection stuff. Nope, I can't open it. I don't want to ruin it, so bear with me, guys. There you go, it's opened like magic. Just like magic. This bit wouldn't come out for some reason. So put it on here. So I'll take this out if I can. Put that one on there. So it's nothing interesting. It's just completely empty inside. What's that? Never mind. Okay. Put that there. You can see it better. So that is Nagini. See a bit more close up like that. There, you can see her just there. So I'll turn around again. I'm keeping this bit on here, but because I got told the teeth are quite sharp, so I'm going to keep them in there. Oh, that's quite pretty. Different. I like that. That is really nice. See her eye, 2 eyes just there. I'm not sure what the Revel's supposed to be. Maybe it's the Hogwarts, you know, the Revel, like right at the end. That's what it looks like to me. I like that very much. There you go. So I'm going to open this. Oh, I thought you could open it up. So there we go. Is that? Yeah, I was right. Look, you can see it's the castle just there, see the fire and all that, little bits here. See the castle there. It was the battle, wasn't it? It was a battle. Alright, so that is Nagini. Got little finger bits on there. Just want to keep it in there because I want to protect her. So that's what she looks like. Wow. That is solid. See the mouth? See the mouth is the bottom. In there. Prove that it's from here. Have a little look before I carry on talking. So that's Nagini. So this is the bottom of it. Yes, so yeah, it is, isn't it? Look, you can see it is. Like that. Like that. I've just noticed there's a sorting hat just there. See the sorting hat? It's a bit squashed. Oh, poor sorting hat. There we go. I like that very much. So we put that back there. So that is Nagini. Look at the lovely painting on it. Look, all the painting on it. See all around there? You can see the scales. That is so nice. That is really, really nice. Look at that. It's nasty. Put that back in. I can remember how I did it. I think it was like that. There you go. There you go. I'll turn it round a bit so you can have a look. Yeah, you got it right way this time. I like that so much. That is really nice. Sorry guys, I'm not taking it out on this because I want it to protect it. So it might last a bit more longer. But it does look nice. You can still see what she looks like. See all the paint. I really like that. It's really hard. Really strong. Like that very, very, very much. Here we go. Back in. Here we go. I like that very, very, very much. I like that very, very much. It's number 9, Nagini, magical creatures. I thought we'd go that way for a change. I like going the other way, but I thought it'd be quite nice for you to have a look. I really do like that. So I hope you like this haul. I definitely liked it. I think this is my 5th one. I think this is my 5th unboxing of the Noble collection. I think I know it definitely is. Alright, so I think it's really nice. Even this bit's nice. The picture. And I've just noticed, you can see this bit more better. There you go. Like that. There we go. I really do like that. That's so nice. So I am going now. I hope you like that. I'm going to be doing another video soon. Alright, subscribe, do the bell, comment on this if you like. I will be doing some more hauls soon. Alright, subscribe, do the bell, comment if you like. Bye!